welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today, now wow, not the way person don't go see for this social media. I say make I waka reach Instagram today. Now I see one post where one get post. Some women, some mama, I don't know how I want to describe una. I don't know what I want to tell una. Like some women, I don't understand the way una take dey. E get the way una take dey. This girl, na a boyfriend when he dey date. So the day where his mama see the boy, he say mama greet the boyfriend well. Mama greet am well. So as the greet each other finish, then he, according to the girl, he said the way they take greet each other, he call ask mama say, "Are you fair know her?" Mama say yes, he fair know the guy for a long time. I say okay. They come greet each other, I come finish. Then the girl now come get belle for the guy. So as he get belle, he come born. Wanna listen to this story from the start to the ending, because some mama me I no understand them again. The way some women say they behave these days, me I no understand. Not know he say when a mama greets that boy, when he see him, na a boyfriend, he ex-boyfriend before. He don't tell the pikin. He say you just know the guy before. Now wait till you tell the pikin. Okay. As he come born pikin, the girl come carry mama come do omugo for house. Mama come do omugo. Una know wetin be omugo na. When somebody go born pikin, then you can't tell your mama, may you come see, may you come dey with your take care of your baby till 3 months before she will come go back. As the mama come now, not know he say, he mama dey jogodo with this husband ever since this girl no know. Later, now he find out say mama get belle. Mama, who give you belle? How? How it happen? You get mad, you not tell me. He say yes, so he don't get belle. Who give you? He say na the girl, he pikin husband. So you mean say my husband I give you belle? He say yes. This is a true life story. True life story. Now they tell una so. Now the girl come tell the mama say, so you get belle for my own husband. Then the girl come tell the mama, you first know this my husband before. Now there, mama come begin to confess say my ex-boyfriend before. As they meet again, now they continue again. Anytime when the girl not there, as two of them go to jogodo. My darling people, not the way person not go see for this social media. Then the girl come say, then the girl come park now, you come comot for house. As she park comot for house, him mama come park enter house. As I dey talk to una now, the mama of this girl is dey inside house with the girl, he pikin husband, with the pregnancy. His mama dey 48 years. This boy dey 28 years. My darling people, una don see this kind thing before. You wey dey watch me now, if na your mama, how you go take do am? How you go take tackle this thing? This your mama, he wants to be a mother. This the pikin now don comot for your husband house because of his mama. His mama come pack his own things come house. There is a not way person not go see for this social media. Not where we not go see for inside this abule where we dey so. Now the matter where they grant that be this one though. This guy say you have to cry out make the whole world, make they hear her voice say he never see this kind of thing before. Say person mama go love your husband where he born for. He don't know I want to do this in mama case now. According to some people, and they say if I not allow a mama make it come that house, come do omugo. My own mama neke. Not go allow my mama make come do omugo. Say because say the fair date. According to some people comment. But my darling people, this girl not fair no. Say mama fair date the boy. If you know, maybe she for even leave the boy. Maybe she for leave the boy. Who go know that kind thing? Say my mama fair follow my own man. I will come still dey there. Who does that? Who does that? My darling people. Now the young girl matter where they grant. Now be this one. Oh. This one are ogbo. The thing shockalize me. Some women yeah, my hand like una dey una body. You fair follow man, you know fit tell your own pikin. Say see oh, you go still go continue again. As I dey talk to una now, the mama now dey inside house, inside pikin house now. If pikin now don pack comot for house, carry baby follow body. A mama now 9 day with pikin now. A mama now come marry the boy be which family go come grade now make 48 years old woman now go marry their pikin. Now wow. Not the way person no go see sha. But some boys una own dey una body really. Wetin you come dey look for a day body? Now a day come see sweet pass young guests now. Hey. Not the way person not go see for this social media. Oh. So mama, now the highest wey me I never see for this world. Oh. The highest. How can a woman go do this kind of thing to your pikin? Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share it because the whole world need to see this one. Oh. Because this one now ogbo. This one shockalize me. My darling people, I never see this kind of thing for my life. Say person mama will come they follow a pikin. They do they marry. Now wow. My darling people, you where they watch me now, what do you think about this video? How you take reason now? Make this girl now still go back to that kind of man. This one where your mama don't pack come house now. Now, if mama now love this pikin or if they find the pikin down for, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. And then anything wanna think, I wanna leave on a comment. I'm gonna help me share the video. This video, the people, the whole world, all mothers need to hear this video because this one now.